I am sure that people would have sold products that haven't been on Amazon before. However, I'm gonna tell you not to do it, because Amazon is a search engine. When you go to your local Coles or Woolies or whatever it may be for your shop, you can look at the product and it just kind of stands out to you like dog's balls on the shelf. You don't need to go searching for it. It's already there. You walk past it and you can spot it. All right, that's how retail environments work. That's why shelf space is so critical to the success of products in the retail environment. Online, it is different. Online, you must pick products that are being searched for already. What you don't want to do is launch a brand new product onto Amazon that nobody's ever heard of, and therefore they don't know how to search for it. They don't know, indeed, that they even should search for it. Think about Apple when it launched the iPod. Now, if you were going to sell that on Amazon, think about how you would try and sell it. I mean, it's a complete mind game to think about the way that you would put together your search terms. Well, this product will hold 32,000 songs. Well, nobody's going to search for that on Amazon. What am I going to do now? This product keeps your music for you. Well, nobody searches for that on Amazon. What am I going to do now? And yet, Apple spent billions of dollars educating the market, and then they reap the benefit by having billions of dollars back, and then some. But they had to spend the billions first to educate the market. And for most of us, that's just not possible. So instead, what we do is we search for products that have got existing search volume, so people are already looking for them on Amazon, and simply tap into existing market demand and just do a better job of it. Just like I showed you with the fire extinguisher, we just do that. And it's a much, much easier and cheaper way of doing things, because you haven't got to educate your marketplace. Educating the market is one of the most expensive marketing exercises you can undertake. So, Victoria, hope that helps. Now, I'm going to give you one little thing to consider, and it's this. So I'm going to show you a website where you can go and get ideas to look at things that may or may not be on Amazon. So Kickstarter, that's great. Great place to go find things that are brand new, potentially not on Amazon, and I've got potential to start selling them on Amazon. Great. Kickstarter, awesome. But do your research, check that people are actually searching for what it is that you're trying to sell them. That's incredibly important. Kickstarter, though, great place to go find ideas, at least, for products like that, Victoria. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.